So exciting morning this morning. We are sitting at the Pearson Airport in Toronto. Kyla and I are on our way to Mexico, going to Puerto Vallarta. It's early. What time is it in the morning here? It is 7:30. We've been here in the lounge. So we're just chilling out, waiting for our plane to leave at 9 o'clock. Go to Puerto Vallarta because we're going to be getting our Mexican residency part 2 done. I've got my Mexican residency part 1 done in Leamington, so now we're going to be getting the second part done in Puerto Vallarta and hopefully get the family unity done for Kyla as well. So hopefully by the end of the week we will have our full Mexican residency done, and that's the temporary residency. So it's going to be a big day. Hopefully we'll get this all finished up in the next few days and enjoy the time in Puerto Vallarta. 5.5-hour flight on WestJet, landing there around noon on Saturday. So exciting, looking forward to it, and then I'll give you an update when we get there.